Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media.
Top New Collection Remote Control Jet Boat Reviews 2025.
Number 4.
Description: brand new and high quality. Material: plastic. Color: gray. Size: 20. 5x6x55 cm 807x to 36x to 17 Power: USB charge. Quantity: 1 PC.
Number 3.
Two. 4G wireless remote control aircraft carrier destroyer is a realistic electric RC ship designed for thrilling waterplay. With stable control and smooth navigation, it has an exciting toy model for boys and hobbyists. Perfect for outdoor fun, gifting, and imaginative naval battles.
Number 2.
Two. 4 GHz Ti 727 RC Turbojet pump high-speed remote control jet boat delivers powerful speed and smooth water performance. Equipped with a low battery alarm for safety. Perfect as a toy or gift for adults and children who love water adventures.
Number 1.
Gift of 4 GHz RC high-speed boat remote control aircraft carrier Warship S19 is an exciting electric water toy with dual motors for stable, fast performance. Ready to run RTR. It is perfect for boys and hobbyists, offering thrilling naval adventures and endless outdoor fun.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.